Exams are approaching, and every student has the same question. Which are the most important questions? That's why in today's video, we have brought for you the unit-wise most important questions with answers. These questions are selected from the most crucial topics of your syllabus, the ones with the highest probability of appearing in the exams. And the best part, along with them, you'll get the proper explanation of both short and long answers so you can revise directly without wasting any time. Friends, if you watch this video carefully and revise these questions, you can easily score good marks in your exams. And yes, if you need unit-wise important questions of any other subject, do let us know in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we'll keep bringing you more exam-focused videos.